Hey everyone, we are excited to announce the HighPixel Game Jam. A game jam is a game development marathon where you have just 1 week to make a game that fits the given theme. This game jam starts on May 24th at 12 PM GMT and goes on through the week till May 31st at 12 PM GMT. You can work alone or even in a team. You can use any programming language or game engine. And you can make whatever you want, provided it fits the theme and you have one version that runs on Windows. You can join our growing Discord server and talk to many other game developers. All the information is available at the itch.io page, and the theme will be revealed on the day of the jam. So, register your interest over at itch.io right now. Thanks for watching.